welcome to my channel Balu Master. Today's topic is very good topic, friends. It is what CBSE class 12th mathematics deleted syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. For 2020-21, so CBSE board, which topics they deleted, which areas no need to focus, which exercises they deleted. So that and all I'll discuss today's session, friends. That's what, please watch carefully. Your first unit is relations and functions. Yes, coming to here, friends, unit 1. In this unit 1, first topic is relations and functions. Relations and functions. And ITF, inverse trigonometric functions. There are two chapters. One is relations and functions, another one is ITF, friends. So now deleted syllabus. In that relations and functions, they deleted composite functions, friends. Composite functions. And also they deleted inverse of a function. Inverse of a function means how to find out F inverse. Coming to second chapter, ITF means so inverse trigonometric functions. In that inverse trigonometric functions, friends, elementary properties. Elementary properties proofs deleted. Elementary properties proofs means formula. And coming to next area, graphs. Graphs in ITF. Inverse trigonometric functions, graphs, completely they deleted. So no need to work out on graphs and elementary properties, means formula proofs. Both the formulas should prepare, but formula proofs not necessary for examination. Without formulas, we cannot able to solve first exercise and second exercise. That's what formulas compulsory, but formula proofs not necessary. Coming to second unit, friends, unit 2. Unit 2, algebra, matrices and determinants. So matrices topic, then determinants topic. In matrices, what they deleted, in determinants, what they deleted. In matrices, complete one exercise they deleted, that is what elementary operations. Exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4, no need to work out. So elementary operation based exercise completely they deleted. And coming to next one, determinants. In determinants, so property based. So that is represent properties based. Exercise 4.2 is completely deleted. And also they deleted so consistency, inconsistency, consistency, inconsistency topic also they deleted, friend. Coming to next unit, unit number 3, one of the very important unit, calculus. In this calculus, so continuity, not deleted anything, nothing deleted. And next, differentiability and derivatives, differentiation. Differentiability and differentiation. In this differentiation chapter, they deleted mean value theorems, Rolle's theorem, LMVT, Lagrange's mean value theorem deleted. It is there in exercise 5.8. 5.8 complete exercise they deleted. And the next topic is applications of derivatives. They deleted two exercises. One is rate measure. That is what exercise 6.1. One more exercise, approximations. That is what exercise 6.4. These two deleted. Next topic is integration. In integration also there are two topics. One is indefinite integration and another one is definite integration. In indefinite integration, definite integration. In indefinite, what it is deleted means so integral root over x square minus a square dx, integral root over a square minus x square dx, integral root over x square plus a square dx, all models that related proofs, that related exercise, that is what exercise 7.7 is deleted. but you have to know these formulas compulsory. You should practice formulas. Why? Because in applications of integration, this formula related questions there is a chance to give for 5 marks this academic year. That's what these formulas should practice everyone, that related proofs and that related problems you can leave. So that's what exercise 7.7 completely deal, and along with this linear function into quadratic equation, this kind of problems deleted. These problems actually not in exercise questions, so this is what extra material questions. In your NCERT book, end of the pages, they are going to give some supplementary material. In that material, integral linear function into square root of quadratic equation related models are there. That models deleted. So from integration point of view, supplementary material no need to prepare. So coming to definite integration. In definite integration, they completely deleted one exercise, that is what limit of sum. Limit of sum exercise deleted. Limit of sum. That is what exercise 7.8. That exercise 7.8 completely deleted from definite integration. So remaining all areas very very important in definite integration. Coming to next one, applications of integration. Double curve related questions deleted, and very very important point, so exercise 2 is not completely deleted. They did not mention exercise 2 in that applications of integration is deleted. So that's what exercise 2 triangle based question is very very important, that is not mixed with more than one curve. So more than one curve mixed area questions they deleted. Also moreover important point, curve with line questions are not deleted. Curve with line related questions means one curve given, one line equation given, one circle equation given, one line equation given, one parabola given, one line equation given. That kind of model questions not deleted. So double curve means their opinion is circle, circle, parabola, parabola, circle, parabola. That kind of models only deleted. Line combination, curve combination questions as it is. That's what exercise 1 no question is deleted. In exercise 2 triangle based question is the most important question and one of the expected question for final examination. And coming to next one, in the differential equation they delete formation of a differential equation. Formation of a differential equation means by using the given hint you have to form a differential equation. That and all deleted, and also they deleted dx by dy plus px is equals to q, where p and q are in terms of y alone. It is there in LDA. In LDE linear differential equation, there are two kind of questions. One is dy by dx plus py equal to q, another one is dx by dy plus px is equals to q. So dx by dy plus px equal to q related model only deleted. That's what dy by dx plus py is equals to q related question is the most important question in LDE. That's what, please underline that point. It is very very important. Next unit number 4. And 3D. So from vector algebra they deleted. So scalar triple product. This content it is there in study material, NCERT book. So back side they are given as supplementary material. In that supplementary material they are given as this topic as scalar triple product. That topic you no need to prepare. Coming to next, three-dimensional geometry. Three-dimensional geometry they deleted angle based questions. Deleted angle based questions. That is what plane, line, plane, line. All these angle based questions they deleted from 3D. Coming to next unit, that is what LPP. LPP means linear programming problem. In this linear programming problem, they deleted as all unbounded model questions. Means very clearly they are going to ask in the examination bounded model only. So bounded model is very easy to attempt the student. That's what very easy area question this is. So all unbounded models deleted, friends. All unbounded models they deleted. Coming to last and final topic, that is what probability. Unit 6. The probability, complete exercise, one exercise is deleted, that is what binomial distribution. That exercise is nothing but exercise 13.5 completely deleted. And moreover, in exercise 13.4, mean variance models only, these models only deleted in exercise 13.4, friends. Not complete exercise is deleted, random variables exercise is there, only mean variance models only deleted. So that's what this is the analysis, friends. According to CBSE board, they deleted these topics, friends, topic wise and unit wise. And also, if you know very well which areas they deleted very clearly, then you can able to focus very clearly which areas you are going to strengthen. So that's what so please concentrate which areas are most important. In that areas you work out very seriously. I hope this section is useful for you, I think helpful for you. So that's all for today's class. I'll meet you with a new topic in the next session. That's all for today's class, friends. Thank you very much, friends. Thanks a lot. Bye.